right, we are on to video number 5, entering orders into Workstation. So first thing we're going to do, this is the home screen of your Workstation dashboard, workstation.scentsy.com. We are going to open an order together, and we're going to walk through how to add orders to that party on your end. So we're going to go to orders, and we're going to go to create a party. You're going to label this your launch party, so we can, or whatever you want to label it. So my launch party. Zane, you're going to have to cooperate, honey. This is going to pop up on your website that you have free for the first 3 months. And after that, you do have a subscription. I highly recommend you keep it. People can order from your website. So, hold on. You are driving me nuts. All right, so we're going to continue. We are going to click that you are the host. I'm not going to do that right now because I do not want my information to pop up. But we are going to say Amber Boo Boo is going to be the customer, okay? And make sure your information's in there. That's just because I don't want my information to pop up. Save and continue. We are going to say my old email. And save and continue. What are we required with them? Okay, here we go. So this next page is going to be a very important landing page on your personal website that is going to have everything for the party. So you can change the title underneath the party message. If you see where the number 1 is, that's where it's going to pop up on your website when people come to this party link. You can keep it Party With Me. You can change it to My Launch Party. You can change it to whatever you want to. The body, it already auto-populates something, but you can change that as well. You just want to trade people, huh? Okay, so for time purposes for this training, we are just going to press next. Next is a video or image. So number 2 is where that's going to pop up. So default, that's what's going to be there. You can choose different pictures, whatever you want to. You can put a picture of yourself. You can put a picture of you with your favorite warmer. Does not matter. We're just going to keep it default. Featured products, those pop up down here. So default right now, those are the defaults that Scentsy has. You can pick your favorites if you want to let people know that are not local to you what your favorite things are. So you can choose that right here, product lookup, why you love it. So we're going to do defaults. And then end date, like we said with the awards video, if this is your launch party, you want your launch party to be within the first 13 days. And that shooting star time frame is the first 15 days. So you want to make sure that you're hitting shooting star, which is that 500 PRV in the first 15 days. So I would keep your launch party open for 13. You can, however, have a party open on Workstation, have access to it for 90 days. It will not show, what are you doing? It will not show up anymore on your Workstation after 90 days, so you need to make sure you close out parties and use host rewards before that. I personally keep parties only open for maximum 2-3 weeks, unless it is a party that I have open monthly for online guests to get rewards built up for myself that way. But we're just going to press continue. And this right here is going to be the link that you're going to be sending people that are shopping online. So this right here, people shop that link. It's going to attach to that party, and you'll see what I mean in a second. So we're going to go to party orders. Okay. So anytime you have a guest, you can type them in right here. I'm going to bypass that right now, and I'm going to go to shopping carts. And you can see that you can go ahead and add people in right here as well. So if you have people who are local that want to save some on shipping, you can add them in on your end. They did just change the shipping tiers to, it has to be $350 worth that you were putting in on your end on this workstation for it to be free shipping. Otherwise, all of the guests are just splitting $10, which shipping doesn't end up being a lot at all. But if you wanted to put them in on your end, you can do that right here by adding another guest. I'm going to show you how easy it is to type in rewards. You can see right here, no rewards have accrued. I'm the host card, so you don't have any rewards yet, okay? If you do have online orders, they are going to show up here. Online orders, PRV goes in automatically. PRV updates every hour on Workstation. So that would pop up underneath here. So we're just going to type in some things. So let's say we wanted a 6-pack because we're going to show a bundle and save. So that pops up right there. Just so you guys can see how easy it is. So we're going to say we want Luna, we want Amazon Rain, we want Scarlet Sunflower, we're going to do Scary Good since it's right there, we're going to do Blueberry Cheesecake, and we're going to do Blue Grotto, okay? That's going to pop up right there, okay? So you can see it automatically populates in there. Let's say that we want a Scentsy system, so you guys can see how you put that in there. It's very user-friendly. Build your bundle. You can see underneath the alphabets, it shows you the different warmers. So we'll say this one, and then we'll say 3 different Scentsy bars. So how easy that was. We're going to do a laundry love system so you guys can see how easy. I shared the mess out of Bundle and Save. I highly recommend sharing that. That is how your customers are going to be saving money. All right, so Fluffy Fleece. You can see you can put it in however you want to. And I'm trying to get us to that $200 mark because the $200 mark is the sweet spot of parties, okay? You cannot close a party on Workstation unless the party is at $200. And the $200 is what the sweet spot is for host rewards to start accruing. So I'm going to go ahead and put in, what do we want to do? Let's do a Pearled Gatsby because that is a beautiful warmer. All right, does not want, let's see, is it gonna work now? All right, there we go. So we're gonna get 3 of those, voila, you see, the host credits just started accruing, right? So right when I hit that 200 mark, that is where you'll see right here, half price earned, I have not typed any in yet. Host credit right here, I've earned, have not used any yet. You'll see right here, all the retail is what I put in, but the host credit, you'll see right here, this is where I need to use that free money at, and this is where the half price is, okay? Also right here, you will see that this popped up, Perpetual Party Reward. This is an extra half off that we're given with every single qualifying party, so as soon as it hits that 200 mark, you get a Perpetual Party Reward, which is a half off that's given to you as a consultant. You can use this however you want to. You can use it for yourself. You can use it as a host gift. You can use it if somebody books a party off of the party that you have open. You can use it however you want to. But I'm going to show you right here. So whenever you type in something that you want to use for the host credit, so let's say you wanted 6 scent circles. Okay. I'm going to type that in. Do all Luna for time purposes and see that it deducts automatically when this updates. All right. I don't know what just happened. All right. Not on my side today, huh? There we go. Okay. So host credit, you see, it went ahead and it took off the $15. I have $7 left. So whatever I want to use for that, half price, type in whatever half price you want to use. We're going to say a Luna bar. We'll say fragrance flower because that was the first thing to pop up. Okay, that's half off. You see right there. All right, and then you're going to go and use your perpetual party reward, which is also that extra half off. And you'll see that right there. Okay. Then from there, you're going to make sure that everybody underneath here has all of their carts ready to go, that they're correct. And then you are going to press check out. I am not going to press that right now. It's pretty self-explanatory. I will kind of talk you through it. So you're going to check out. You can collect payment however you want to. You can type people's card information straight into the system if you want to. You can do Venmo, PayPal, Apple Pay, however you want to collect orders. I will tell you that I personally suggest not closing out a party and not putting in somebody's order until you have a payment from them. Speaking from experience, if you do not have a payment, do not place the order for them. You do not want to be sitting with product without somebody paying for it, okay? So, easy peasy, entering party, and yeah. One more thing, you cannot close. I'm going to remind you, you cannot close a party if it has not at least hit that 200 mark, okay? So if the host base right here does not say 200, you cannot start typing in any rewards, which is going to let you know that you cannot check out. All right? Done.